Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Rajni Chaudhary, and in this particular video lecture we will be doing some numerical on restricted earthfall protection of generator. The numericals are previously asked in the question paper of power system protection. Restricted earthfall protection. In case of generator, the stator windings of the generator are partially protected against earth fault when the neutral is grounded to earth resistance. This is because the voltage of the neutral point with respect to earth is very low, and therefore the fault current so observed there is of low value. Hence, it cannot achieve the pickup value of the relay. Thus, relay cannot identify a fault has occurred. Hence, the relay coils remain unprotected in the scheme. Since some part of that relay, some part of the stator windings remain unprotected against earth fault, therefore, this protection is named as restricted earthfall protection. The percentage of the windings protected depend upon the value of the earthing resistance and relay settings. Means what percentage of winding will be protected will be governed by the two factors, that is your earthing resistance value and the relay settings. These two factors must be chosen very carefully, as if we have chosen the high value of earth resistance, then obviously the fault current will be less and more percentage of winding remains unprotected. At the same time, if we are choosing a low value of resistance, then in that case the fault current will be of high value, and which is not desirable. Talking about the relay setting, this cannot be chosen very low, as it can lead to wrong operation of the relay. As in that case, if the relay setting is chosen very low, the relay can operate under conditions of heavy through faults, inaccurate CT, and saturation of CT may also take place. Therefore, these two factors are very carefully considered while adopting the restricted earth. Therefore, the value of earth resistance is chosen in such a way that only 15% of the winding from the neutral point is kept unprotected, whereas 85% of the winding is protected against phase to earth fault. Restricted earth fault protection operation is explained in my previous video of generator protection. You can go through that video. The link of the video is given in the description box below. Here we are not explaining restricted earthfall protection in detail, as our main focus is to solve the numericals related to restricted earthfall protection. To calculate what percentage of the winding remains unprotected and for what value of resistance, there are some equations defined here. And with this equation we will be able to get the percentage of the winding that remains unprotected or the percentage of windings which remains protected. Here V is your line to neutral voltage, that is basically the phase voltage. In the questions we are generally given the line voltage, and therefore we need to calculate the line to neutral voltage by dividing that line voltage by √3. I is the full load current of largest capacity generator. If it is not given in the question, there will be rating given, the rating given of the generator, and therefore with the help of the rating we need to calculate the current, full load current. As we know, the rating or the power is basically equals to √3 VI, and therefore we can calculate the value of I. R is the value of earth resistance, and our main equation, that is the percentage of the winding that remains unprotected, is given by the following equation. Here, if we have to calculate the percentage of the windings which is protected, then we have to subtract this value by 100. Means 100 minus percentage of winding unprotected will give you the value of the percentage of the winding that is protected. Here the value of I naught is the minimum operating current at which the relay operates. Generally, if the relay setting is given, suppose the relay setting is given as X percentage, then the minimum operating current is find out with the help of this equation, that is X percentage of your full load current. If the relay setting is not given in the question, there will be out of balance current given in the question, and with that out of balance you must be provided with the CT ratio. Multiplying the two, out of balance current and CT ratio, you will get the minimum operating current of your relay. These equations will help us find either the percentage of the winding that is unprotected or protected and the value of the resistance. Starting with the numerical, the first question is, a generator is provided with restricted earth fault protection. The ratings are 11 kV and 5000 kVA. 11 kV is your line voltage and 5000 kVA is your rating of the generator. The percentage of the winding protected against phase to ground fault is 80%. 80% is the percentage of the winding that is protected. The relay setting is provided as 25% out of balance. You need to calculate the value of the resistance to be added in neutral to ground connection. So in this question, we can interpret that we have to find the value of the resistance. Starting the solution, firstly, the values which are given, line voltage is given and the rating is provided. With the help of the rating, we can easily calculate the full load current. As we know, power is equals to √3 VI, so we can easily calculate the value of the current from the rating and the voltage given. Substituting the values, the full load current comes out to be 262.431 ampere. As relay setting is given 25% out of balance, we can easily calculate the minimum operating current, which will be 25% of your full load current. 25% and your full load current. The minimum operating current comes out to be 65.607 ampere. Line to neutral voltage, we are provided with the line voltage, so we need to calculate the line to neutral voltage. Line to neutral voltage comes out to be 6350.852, that is 6350.852 volt. Substituting all these in the equation of percentage of the winding that is unprotected, we know the winding that is unprotected is 20%, as 80% is given in the question, that is the protected percentage of the winding. Substituting the values, we need to calculate the value of resistance R. I naught we have calculated, B value has been found out. So substituting all these, we will get the value of the resistance, and that comes out to be 19.36 ohm. Thus, we have easily calculated the value of resistance by substituting the values of I naught and V in the equation of the percentage of the winding unprotected, described previously in the slides. The neutral point of a 10,000 volt alternator is earthed to a resistance of 10 ohm. The relay is said to operate when there is an out of balance current of 1 ampere. The CT ratio of 1000/5 is given. What percentage of the winding is protected against fault to earth? This is the first part of the question. And what must be the minimum value of earthing resistance to give 90% of the protection to each phase winding? Here, two things are asked. Here, therefore, the question will be solved in the two parts. Defining, for solving first part, here we are given the line voltage as 10,000 volt, earth resistance is 10 ohm, out of balance current is 1 ampere, and CT ratio is given as 1000/5. So here we will be first calculating the minimum operating current, which is equals to out of balance current multiplied by CT ratio. That comes to be 200 ampere. Then phase voltage, that is line to neutral voltage. Since line voltage is given 10,000, we will divide it by root 3 and we'll get the line to neutral voltage as 5773.5026 volt. Putting all this value in the equation of percentage of winding unprotected, we will get, we are given R as 10, I naught we have calculated as 200, B is 5773.5026. So we will get the percentage of the winding that is unprotected. But we must remember what we are asked. We are asked the percentage of winding that is protected, not unprotected. Therefore, we have to subtract this value from 100. Hence, the percentage of the winding that is protected is 65.3589. Means approximately 65% of the winding of alternator stator is protected and 34% is approximately 34-35% winding is unprotected. So we have solved the first part. Part 2, where we are asked the value of resistance required to give 90% of protection. So the percentage of winding that is unprotected will be 10%. Putting this value in the equation, we have already calculated the value of I naught and V. We need to find out the R. Percentage of the winding unprotected is 10. Putting all these value in the equation, we will get the value of R, and R value comes out to be 2.8867 ohm. Approximately 3 ohm is the resistance, value of resistance required to give 90% of protection. With this we end the video lecture. These two type of questions are generally asked in your previous year papers, so practice them more. And thank you for now. For more videos, please stay connected and subscribe the channel.